In this video I will show you how to update graphic drivers on Windows 11. First step is to open Device Manager. You can right click Windows Start button and here is option Device Manager. Now we want to find and click icon Display Adapters, right click your graphic and click Update Driver. Now you have two options, search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. I'm gonna choose first option, and it says the best drivers for your device are already installed. I will try to update second one, again search automatically for drivers, and it also says the best drivers for your device are already installed. So this was how to update graphic drivers on Windows 11. I hope you find it helpful. See ya next time.